Your natural state is a state of love. You were created from love, and you are love. Chapter 11. Undoing your investment in the bird. By now, I trust that you are beginning to understand the bird better. You are beginning to understand its nature, its behavior, and the role that it plays within your life currently. But understanding it is just the beginning. You may have been investing in it for many years and have yet to know its existence. Right here and right now, I want you to know that this is perfectly okay. You have not been failing. You have not been ready until now to take steps towards understanding this aspect of your soul. The important thing for you to know is that now is not the time for you to give up. Now is not the time for you to judge yourself. If you are beginning to reflect on your life and see how you have been investing in the bird, and you feel ashamed or guilty, or it all feels like too much, the bird is at the forefront of your mind. You are listening to its chatter right now. So this is an ideal moment for us to look at how you can take care of it, how you can learn to acknowledge it and choose to listen and react from a place of love and connect to the energy of the bringer. Your natural state is a state of love. You were created from love, and you are love. Love is harmonious energy. Love is what feels right for you. Love is what you are looking for right now. Love for yourself and love to and from others. Love is your nature. Love is who you are at your core, at your center. Love holds the frequency that feels true for you. When you are in the space of loving energy, you feel different and you act differently. Your internal world and your external world are in balance with one another. You feel out of balance when you have a relationship with the bird that influences your thoughts and your choices. You may feel physically or emotionally compromised. You may find yourself lashing out at every given opportunity. You may distrust, become jealous, angry, frustrated or irritated regularly. You may feel exhausted, upset, defensive, anxious, depressed, or in a state of addiction. I could go on forever with a list of the ways that you may be feeling or behaving. But if you can dig deep within your heart and begin to realize that these ways do not feel good for you, then I would suggest that the bird is the reason that you've been feeling this way. Your investment in it is the root cause of your current state. So let's look at the ways to untangle your relationship with it, so that you can move back into your natural state of balance, your natural state of love, and to listen and connect to the bringer's energy instead. What I am teaching you right now may indeed seem unimaginable. It may seem ridiculous. It may seem stupid. But if this is the dialogue that you are experiencing, then yes, you've guessed it, the bird is speaking. Please try to remember only one thing: the reality that this unloving voice is not your friend. You can choose to invest in its ways, but at some point you will have to invest in an alternative way. Whether that is now or in the future is entirely up to you. I have no preference for the choice that you make. I am offering you the truth, and it is the truth, whether you want to believe it or not.